Hi, Stafford. Do you love nonfiction books like I do? Well, great news. We now have access to thousands of awesome books and articles. Pebble Go is specifically designed for a K-3 reader, and Capstone has higher level text available, but they both offer an audio version as well as games and other resources. So first, and all your login information is right here. First, I'm going to show you Pebble Go. And when you're here, you can search all kinds of different things. I'll just show you dinosaurs for an example.
Giant black.
And here you can have it read to you. You can learn about its body,
Habitat.
where it lived, food, behavior, and
compare it to today.
Other awesome information. Okay, next I want to show you Capstone, and you can literally just go right here and link to Capstone, or back here you can go to your Capstone library this way, and the login information was listed on your Google Classroom, but here you can just browse through different topics. You can look at your reading level if you know it, or you can just do a search. I'm going to search basketball to see what is available there. And here are all kinds of great basketball books that have basketball in it. So once you find it, you can say play. Once you find the book that you like. And you just scroll through like you would, or you could push play down here at the bottom. You can have audio.
Chasing history. Kobe Bryant put on a show like few basketball fans had ever seen. Bryant's Lakers were... Chamberlain shocked the basketball...
It also includes the table of contents, glossary, and all kinds of other activities that you can do with each book. Well, I hope you find these helpful, and happy reading. I really miss you guys, and I can't wait to see you. Have a great day.